Right then, we are a van down. Clutch went at the start of the week. How's your week going? We're all the patio's done. All of that's been installed. Still got to grout it. Extra shed base put in with edging around it. We use the Brett drive style block edging. They look nice, so that gives that nice edge on that shed base. Yeah, just rotivating the lawn right now. Just got to get that finished up. Turf's on the van. A little bit of fencing behind me. But yeah, we're getting there. Obviously the clutch going on the van was not ideal. Hiring from U-Drive, 100 quid a day I think, so not ideal. But what do? Do you cancel? Do you put your other work back? I can't get the clutch fixed on the other van for a month. What do? Do you ring your customers and put them all back and potentially lose some jobs? For me, I was just like, just crack on, just take the hit on the money and just crack on. What would you do? But yeah, so we've got about 60 square meters of porcelain, all faced along the edges. We've got 15, 30, 42 meters of mortise fencing, 9 square meters of shed base. We've got electrics going the whole way around the perimeter for lighting, drainage put in. Got another one to go down there. Shingle down the alleyway. So yeah, shingle down the alleyway. 60 square meters of porcelain installed. 42 meters of mortise fencing. 9 square meters shed base, edged in Brett Jarge style curb edgings or something. Electrics going the whole way around the perimeter, and yeah, and the 90 square meters or 80 square meters of lawn. Getting there. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like what you're seeing, dislike, comment on why you don't like it, and don't subscribe. But yeah, how's your week been?